Hi everybody, Mike here, over here at the Filter Queen Parts Department. Just wanted to remind you that we have a lot of the hard to find parts, genuine Filter Queen parts. I did want to tell you about another special we're having. If you have a Filter Queen vacuum, around the top of the canister is a gasket. Now that gasket gets old, it gets dried out, and you lose suction when that gets dried out. Now, the new gaskets, I have them here. I have about 100 of them. We're going to put them on special. They're usually $38 and it's $8 shipping. Right now it's $24.99 free shipping. That's a very good deal. It pulled the old one off. This one's nice and new and flexible. It goes right on the top, holds the filters in place, seals it up really nice so you get full suction on the vacuum. Hope you take advantage of that. Give us a call. There's the 800 number, and we'll get these out to you. It's $24.99. We do have all the filters and genuine parts that you would need to keep everything running smooth. So give us a call. This is the gasket that goes around the top of the dirt container that the motor sits on top of. So even if you need a dirt container, we have those in stock too. Give us a call. There's the 800 number. Be safe, everybody. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe and you're notified when we're going to have another special, it just gives you a little heads up on that, okay? So hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.